Hi everyone, let us understand a small topic of anatomy today, which is the blood supply of stomach. Beginning with the drawing of our stomach first. This is the greater curvature and this is the lesser curvature. Beginning with the blood supply of the lesser curvature. This is our celiac trunk, which gives off a branch called as the left gastric artery. One important point to note about the left gastric artery is that it's the largest blood vessel supplying the stomach. The celiac trunk then gives off a branch called as the common hepatic artery, which then divides into the proper hepatic artery and the gastroduodenal artery. This proper hepatic artery gives off a branch called as the right gastric artery, which in combination with the left gastric artery supply the lesser curvature of the stomach. Moving on to the blood supply of fundus, the celiac trunk gives a tortuous branch of blood vessel which runs in the stomach bed, that is behind the stomach, giving off branches which are 5 to 7 short branches of blood vessels called as the short gastric artery, supplying the fundus of the stomach. This splenic artery then gives off a branch which runs near the greater curvature of the stomach, supplying it, called as the left gastroepiploic artery. This gastroduodenal artery, which was a branch of the common hepatic artery, then gives off a branch called as the right gastroepiploic artery. Now, the right gastroepiploic artery and the left gastroepiploic artery constitute the blood supply of the greater curvature of stomach. So, that's it for today's topic. Thank you.